We've modernized our factory lighting to meet current standards for a comfortable work environment, while simultaneously achieving significant energy efficiency. Across many areas of the factory, we deployed the versatile and smart Helag's luminaire. For seamless control, select luminaires feature a built-in Helvar ActiveAhead node that communicates wirelessly with external ActiveAhead sensors. In parts of the warehouse, we integrated Helvar's D4i nodes directly into the Helag's luminaires. The high efficacy of Helag's delivers powerful illumination with reduced energy consumption. Paired with intelligent control, this provides a flexible solution that significantly cuts energy use. ActiveAhead allows the luminaires to form a wireless network, and even existing DALI luminaires can be integrated easily. Groups and zones, including those for the existing lighting, are quickly configured via the mobile app. Environmental sensors now track vital data like temperature, air quality, noise, and ventilation. The cloud-based service, Helvar Insights, provides a complete overview of energy use, maintenance requirements, and space utilization. If layouts change, groups and zones can be quickly reconfigured through the ActiveAhead app. This makes the solution inherently flexible, scalable, and future-proof. The result is uniform, comfortable lighting across our entire 10,000 square meter facility, spanning from storage to assembly lines. Through ActiveAhead wireless control, significant energy savings, and future-proof technology, Aura Light has created a workplace that benefits both people and the planet. Choose smart lighting. Simpler, brighter, greener.